at the Eagan Community Center in Eagan, Minnesota. Very cool building. Let's go see what it is. I already know what it is, but I'm pretending I don't. Elevator. What is it? A Dover Impulse. How exciting. And here it is. There's the hanging lantern. Go to LL. I think this might be a ThyssenKrupp actually. 2,000 pound capacity. Here's your COP. Newer impulse fixtures. Get your phone. There's a line on there. LL works. It's a basic cab, but it's nice at the same time. Here it up. Look, it has the queen knob switch. Go. This is the motor. Ready to go out? Down, take it one more time. I do like the hanging lantern, that's not uncommon. Actually, it is uncommon. Again, nice cab. Let's watch the indicator. LL, let's bundle it up. This runs very well. It's pretty much brand new, it's not used that much.